Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set on and off the DST function on your Casio GA140 with the module 5612. This is going to work for a bunch of other Casio G-Shock watches. As you can see, the ones that I have on the table, the GA100, then we have the Square, the 5610, and also the Casio, the GA2100. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to see the home city flashing right here. So let's do that. Press and hold the adjust button. Then we are going to see the home city, and we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. The second one is going to be the DST. So you are going to press the forward button in order to switch between on and off. I'm going to leave it at off, and once you have finished that, you want to press the adjust button in order to finalize the process. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. You now know how to switch between on and off on your DST function. So summertime, the daylight savings time. And if you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, make sure to check the link in the description box below so that you know everything you need to know about your Casio G-Shock watch, guys. In case you want to watch even more watch related videos, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, vintage watches, make sure to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.